Welcome to another wonderful cooking episode with Onyx Food Hill. So in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to prepare a simple spicy peppered meat, which is also known as Asun. Asun is a popular Nigerian small chop prepared into pepper sauce. So here I have some ingredients. I'm just going to go simple. If you don't have an open barbecue fire or a grilling tool, this video is going to show you how you can prepare this simple peppered meat on your stove top. So watch it to the end if you want to see how I prepare this. I know you will love this. So for the peppered meat ingredients, I'll be using goat meat. This is smoked goat meat. And I have here a combination of green bell peppers, red bell peppers, scotch bonnet, and 2 medium onions. Also have here some seasonings. So I'm using goat meat seasoning. I have here salt, minced garlic. This is all you need for this, but you can choose to add other ingredients, but I just want to stay simple. That's why I'm using just these few ingredients for this, and this is really going to intensify the flavor of this. So to the meat, you are going to season it to marinate it. I'm adding in a little salt, seasonings, garlic. I'm also going to chop in some onions. I'm also going to be adding in some coarsely blended pepper. After I've added that, I'll just quickly mix it. I would have loved to use my hand, but the pepper is very hot, so I wouldn't want my hand to get hot. But I toast it to combine. So I'm going to marinate this for about 40 minutes. So now after you have marinated the goat meat for about 40 minutes, you bring it into a pot. At this time, the meat has absorbed all the ingredients, so you bring it into a pot. Then you place this on a medium to high heat to steam. I'm not going to be adding water immediately. I'm just going to allow the meat to steam. So while we are boiling the meat, we are going to cut the peppers into nice shapes. After you've chopped the pepper, you also chop your onions into tiny pieces. After you've chopped the vegetable, you just set them aside. I'm going to use this hand blender to blend the pepper because I don't want to blend it into a smooth paste, so it's best I use the hand blender. So now it's now time to check the goat meat. I didn't add water. Goat meat has its own water because it was stored in the fridge for some days. It has been cooking for 10 minutes, so I'm going to cook it for another 10 minutes. So at this point, if you have an oven, you can grill the meat. You can just take them out of the liquid and grill. So because we don't have that, we are just going to continue cooking this by steaming it. So at this stage, the meat is cooked, so I'm just going to remove this from the stock and fry. You can see the little stock I'm left with. This is really rich and the flavor is awesome. So now you place the pan on heat, then add cooking oil into it. Once the oil has been heated, add the meat into it and fry. Once the meat is nicely brown, I'm just going to take this out of the oil and reduce the oil. So I'm just going to place another pan on heat, then bring the pepper I've blended into it. We add some onions to the pepper, season it with seasoning, then add salt to taste. Just keep stir frying this. After frying this for 3 minutes, add the bell peppers as well. Make sure you season the pepper sauce to your taste. Once you like the taste of the pepper sauce, bring the fried meat into it and make sure you toast it in the sauce until it is well coated. Just garnish this with few slices of onions. After you added that, stir this and cook this for just few minutes and your spicy peppered goat meat is ready. So guys, our delicious spicy asun is ready. This was how to prepare a simple peppered goat meat in pepper sauce without the grill or without an open barbecue fire. I hope you love this my simple method, and if you do, please remember to subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends, and also leave some comments if you have any. I'm going to attend to all of your questions. Stay tuned and have a wonderful day. Bye.